Most people think AI is helping online workers. That's wrong. Right now, AI is quietly replacing freelancers, virtual assistants, designers, writers, even developers. And most people won't notice until their income completely disappears. This isn't the first big tech shift we've seen, but this time, things are different. AI works 24/7. It doesn't need breaks, it doesn't negotiate salaries, and it never burns out. Plus, it's incredibly cheap to use. The big platforms, the marketplaces where people find work, they didn't send out a warning. They just updated their algorithms, and suddenly, the demand for human work started to drop. So what actually changed? It's not just about speed anymore. It's about a fundamental shift in what clients are willing to pay for. They've discovered that for many tasks, AI is good enough. We're already seeing certain online jobs collapsing at an alarming rate. Think about low-level content writing, the kind used for basic blog posts or product descriptions. Gone. Simple logo design and basic graphic work? AI can generate hundreds of options in seconds. Repetitive tasks like basic data entry or standard chat support roles, they're being automated away. It's important to understand that the clients didn't just vanish. They simply switched. They found a more efficient tool for the job, and that tool was AI. The market didn't disappear. It evolved. So what's the natural reaction? Most people are trying to fight a losing battle. They're making a huge mistake. They're trying to compete directly with AI. They think if they just work harder, stay online longer, and charge less for their services, they can win. But that strategy has never worked, not with any technological revolution. You don't beat a machine by trying to race it. You can't be faster, cheaper, or more tireless than an algorithm. Trying to do so just leads to burnout and frustration while your income continues to shrink. It's a race to the bottom, and the machine has already won. But here's the shift that nobody is really talking about. The smart workers, the ones who saw this coming, they did something completely different. They stopped trying to sell their time. They stopped selling individual tasks. They even stopped selling their standalone skills. Instead, they started selling outcomes. They started selling systems. They started selling AI-powered solutions. They figured out that if you can't beat the machine, you need to be the one controlling it. This is where the money moved. This is the new economy. It's not about being a cog in the wheel anymore. It's about designing the machine that turns the wheel. This is exactly where tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and specialized AIs for video and automation come into play. But not as replacements for your job. Think of them as income multipliers. The equation has changed. Before, it was one person equals one person's output. Now, one person plus the right AI tools can equal the output of an entire team of 10 people. This isn't about working 10 times harder. It's about leveraging technology to produce 10 times the value. You become the strategist, the creative director, the problem solver who guides the AI to achieve incredible results. You're no longer just the writer, you're the creator of a content engine. So, what should you actually do? You need to change the question you're asking. Stop asking, how do I save my job from AI? That's a defensive, fearful question. Instead, start asking, how do I control the AI to build something new? Think bigger. Instead of just writing articles, could you build an AI-assisted content system for businesses? Instead of just doing tasks? Could you offer AI automation services that streamline entire workflows? Could you launch an AI-powered YouTube channel that creates content at a scale you could never manage alone? The goal is to build and sell AI-driven workflows, not just your own manual labor. Now, why is this so urgent? Because this window of opportunity won't stay open forever. We're in a unique period right now. Soon, everyone will be using AI as a baseline. The platforms will become saturated with AI-generated content and services. The people who get in now, the early movers who master these systems, are the ones who will establish themselves as the leaders. They will build the brands, capture the market, and set the standards. Acting now gives you incredible leverage. Waiting means you'll be playing catch-up in a much more crowded and competitive field. The advantage is here, today. If you want to stay ahead of this wave, not get replaced by it, then subscribe to this channel. That's precisely why we're here, to give you the strategies and insights you need to navigate this new world and come out on top. Thanks for watching.